model, 2020 Peugeot Boxer 435 professional 2.2 HDI 77k miles, needs turbo Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 77,028. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch and gearbox a good smile. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows.